OpenAI just rewired the entire AI ecosystem with 3 massive launches at Dev Day. And if you are building anything with AI, this changes the game. Let's start with the big one, AgentKit. Think of it as the no-code future of AI development. Instead of spending hours wiring APIs and workflows, you can now visually design, test, and deploy your own AI agents in minutes. Developers on stage literally built working prototypes live, drag tools, connect data, add safety layers, and hit deploy. It's the kind of speed that replaces what used to take full engineering teams. Next up, apps inside ChatGPT. OpenAI just turned ChatGPT into an operating system. You can now call Spotify, generate designs in Figma, or even book flights through booking.com, all without switching tabs. Imagine telling ChatGPT, plan a trip to Bali, and it just does it. Booking, itinerary, visuals, everything right inside the chat. Over 800 million users now have direct access to this ecosystem, which means developers instantly get the biggest AI app store ever built. And then there's the Sora 2 API, text to video just leveled up. You can now create cinematic clips with synced sound, precise style control, and realistic detail straight from code. It's already powering concept videos, ads, and training visuals for real companies. The message is clear. OpenAI isn't just building smarter models anymore. It's building the full stack for creators, coders, and businesses to launch AI native products at the speed of thought.